Today, this time we are going to identify the solutions of system of linear equation. We need to identify the value of x and y given the system of linear equation x plus y is equal to 10 and x minus y is equal to 2. The first method is substitution method. So we have, in substitution method, we just need to isolate or to find the value of x or y in any equation that we have. So it means the first equation or the second equation, you can rewrite this one in terms of x or in terms of y. This time we need to rewrite I will going to rewrite the first equation in terms of x. So this one will become x is equal to negative y plus 10. And then in the second equation means that we have x minus y is equal to 2, right? X minus y is equal to 2. Then we just need to substitute x by negative y plus 10 so that we can solve for one variable only, which is y. So negative y plus 10 minus y is equal to 2. Then combining like terms, it will become negative 2y is equal to 2 minus 10. Then negative 2y is equal to negative 8. Then solve, divide both sides by negative 2. Then y is equal to 4. Okay, so y, we have the value for y is 4. Now we need to identify the value of x. Earlier we rewrite the first equation in terms of x, so that is y. We just need to substitute the value of y, or we need to substitute 4 in the variable y. So x is equal to negative 4 plus 10, or x is equal to 6, is equal to 6. So it means that the solution using substitution is 6 and 4. This time we are going to use elimination method. How about if it is elimination? So this one we just need to equate, then add. As we observe, we can add the variables, and then if it is different sign, so it means we can eliminate. From the word elimination or eliminate, we just need to eliminate one variable so that we can solve for the other variable. So this time we can eliminate y. So positive y plus negative y, it is equal to 0. So that is why we can eliminate. Then add x plus x, that is equal to 2x. Then add a constant, 10 plus 2, that is 12. Then divide both sides by 2. Then x is equal to 6. It's the same on the first method that we used. The value for x is 6. Now this time we just need to substitute the value of x in the any equations that we have. Let's say we substitute the value of x in the first equation. So we have x plus y is equal to 10. Then we already know that the value of x is 6. You write 6 plus y is equal to 10. Then transfer 6 to the right side. It will become 10 minus 6. Then y is equal to 4. So it means we have 6 and 4 as the solution. So now I showed you the two methods to identify the solutions of system of linear equation.